Welcome back to Courtroom Authority, where today's case has all the drama you'd expect from a real courtroom showdown. Meet Rick Artuso, the defendant at the center of a legal tangle that's about to take an unexpected turn. Right from the start, we hear arguments about adjournments, bond conditions, and even a bench warrant that landed him back in custody. But here's the kicker. Rick swears he showed up to court and just got the time wrong. Now, that might sound like a simple mistake, but in court, failing to appear is a huge deal. Judges don't take it lightly, and the consequences can follow a defendant for years. And just when you think this case is about routine bond negotiations, Rick drops a personal bombshell. He claims he's getting married this Sunday. Imagine that, trying to convince a judge to release you because of wedding plans. Do you think the court should show him compassion here or stick to the rules? Let us know in the comments what you'd do if you were the judge in this situation.
Court calls the case of the people versus Rick Artuso. Artuso?
Mr. Artuso, state your name for the record, please.
Rick Artuso. Thank you.
Your Honor, I do have a green sheet. We're asking for an adjournment. We're currently in negotiations with the people. I would like to also address bond, please.
The matter will be adjourned May 29, 2025. Yes.
Your Honor, in regards to bond, we're asking Mr. Artuso, Mr. Burgess is on one of his matters. I apologize.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, David Burgess, on behalf of Rick Artuso, as the other matter.
All right.
So, Your Honor, in my matter, Mr. Artuso has $1,000 10% bond that was set. He does have a cash or surety bond in Mr. Burgess's matter. Mr. Artuso, it seems as if he went into bench warrant status on Mr. Burgess's matter because he failed to appear to court. He did indicate that he came to court on that date, but he was under the impression his court date was set for 2:00. When he did come, he stated he was here until the building closed and he left. Unfortunately, at that time, our office was not on his case, so he didn't call us. I'm unaware of his communications or if he was able to communicate with Mr. Burgess. So there was no opportunity to have a bench warrant recall.
So how do you come back into custody?
You said you were just in the car that was pulled over.
Yes, I got pulled over. But
So he was arrested on the bench warrant, Your Honor. There are no new charges.
So why didn't he come back to court?
I did ask him that as well.
Okay, and what was the answer?
He did not have an explanation, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead,
So
I'm listening.
He did not have an explanation as to why he did not come back to the court, why he did not, contact the court to let them know that he tried to come. I did explain to him in the future if he's got any issues with his court dates, that the clerk's office is right there at the front, that all he needs to do is speak with them and they'll advise him properly. The issue that we're having is in our case, the resolution that we're seeking to reach would require that he pay some restitution up front. Unfortunately, with him being in custody, Judge, he will not be able to do that. He is hopeful that the court would consider giving him a PR bond. I understand if a GPS tether is necessary to ensure his return to court. He has very minimal criminal history, to my understanding as well, but I'd like to see if he could get out so he could raise some money and pay off this restitution so we could get a resolution.
Sponsoring people.
I would leave it up to your discussion.
If he doesn't appear, doesn't come back, it's got to be picked up. It's going to sit until we can get it resolved. Motion for bond reduction denied. Bond will continue.
Understood, Your Honor. What do you need to say?
I was gonna ask you, Your Honor, worst comes to worst, I know I could, it's Thursday. I'm scheduled to be married on Sunday. I could come in Monday and I could pay restitution, whatever it takes to pay.
Scheduled to be what?
Married this Sunday.
That is true, Your Honor. He did inform us of that. I don't know if his fiance and his mother are here, but prior to his being picked up, I think he was scheduled to be getting married this Sunday.
I'm not going to use that as a basis to. I mean, the problem is that you should have come back down to the court. If you waited here all day, you should have come to the court at some point, but we had to pick you up, bring you in. I'm not doing that again. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And there you have it. The judge wasn't swayed by Rick's wedding plans and made it crystal clear. If you don't follow through with your court obligations, there are consequences. Rick's case highlights something every defendant needs to understand. Excuses rarely hold up in court, especially when prior failures to appear are on record. So, what do you think? Should the judge have given Rick a break because of his upcoming wedding, or was this tough stance exactly what was needed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you. If you found this courtroom moment as dramatic as we did, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Courtroom Authority for more unbelievable courtroom showdowns. Until next time, stay tuned for more cases where the drama is all too real.